Here's a detailed look at the Vivo iQOO Neo 10R, pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion. Special features. Gaming-focused features. The iQOO Neo 10R boasts several features aimed at enhancing the gaming experience, including 144Hz 1.5K AMOLED display, offers a smooth and high-resolution visual experience, crucial for competitive gaming. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a powerful processor capable of handling demanding games at high settings. 4D game vibration, provides tactile feedback synchronized with in-game actions for increased immersion. AI game voice changer, allows users to modify their voice in game chats for anonymity or fun. Inbuilt FPS meter, enables real-time monitoring of frame rates during gameplay for performance analysis. 2000 Hz instant touch sampling rate, offers highly responsive touch input, crucial for fast-paced games. Stable gaming performance, optimized to maintain stable frame rates during extended gaming sessions. Bypass charging. Allows the phone to be powered directly from the charger during gaming, minimizing battery drain and heat generation. IP65 rating. While not the highest IP rating, it offers a good level of protection against dust and water splashes, providing some peace of mind during everyday use. 80W flash charge, allows for incredibly fast charging times for the large 6400 mAh battery. Pros. Excellent performance. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 delivers smooth and responsive performance for all tasks, including demanding games. Smooth and vibrant display. The 144Hz AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution offers a great visual experience for gaming and multimedia consumption. Long battery life and fast charging. The large 6400 mAh battery provides excellent endurance, and the 80W fast charging ensures quick top-ups. Gaming-centric features, a strong suite of features specifically designed to enhance the mobile gaming experience. Good main camera performance. The 50MP main camera with OIS captures good quality photos and videos, including 4K at 60 frames per second. Stereo speakers, provide a more immersive audio experience for gaming and media. Future-proof software, promises up to 3 major Android upgrades. IR Blaster, allows control of compatible home appliances. Cons. Mediocre ultra-wide camera. The 8MP ultra-wide camera may lack detail and dynamic range compared to the main sensor. Average selfie camera. While 32MP, the front camera's performance might not be exceptional in all lighting conditions. No NFC. The absence of NFC could be a drawback for users who rely on contactless payments and other NFC functionalities. USB 2.0. The inclusion of a USB 2.0 port is a bit dated for a phone in this category. Faster data transfer speeds would be preferable. Potential bloatware. FunTouch OS, while improving, can still come with pre-installed apps, bloatware, that some users might find undesirable. While some can be uninstalled, others cannot. Build quality. The plastic back and frame might not feel as premium as some competitors with glass or metal builds. Thermal throttling. Some reviews suggest potential thermal throttling during very intense and prolonged gaming sessions. Overall conclusion. The Vivo iQOO Neo 10R is a compelling smartphone, particularly for mobile gamers and users who prioritize performance and battery life without breaking the bank. Its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, smooth 144Hz display, and gaming-centric features make it a strong contender in its price segment. The excellent battery life and rapid 80W charging are also significant advantages. However, potential buyers should be aware of the limitations of the ultra-wide and selfie cameras, the absence of NFC, and the plastic build. If gaming and performance are your top priorities, and you can live with these compromises, the iQOO Neo 10R offers a lot of value.